Guys, good morning. Welcome to my vlog. I'm here again naman. I need to check if the machine is working. Still early. Still early. While they're still sleeping, I come here. I hope the machine is open already. Anyway, guys, it's only 8 something. Not yet even 8:30. I think today is holiday. You know what? I like this wall, this painting in the wall. Nice painting in the wall. Anyway, guys, today is Monday. It's first day of office and work. Some of the private international schools still have class, but Philippine school is already summer vacation last April. See, I hope the machine is not long line and it's working. How many times I keep coming back here to drop the bottle, but it's always the machine out of order. Last Saturday, the machine first is working, and then when it's almost my turn, the machine is out of order, became suddenly out of order. Anyway, I'm here in Lulu again, guys. Anyway, if you like my video, don't forget to click like, heart me, comment, subscribe. Out of order again? Not open, kuya?